searching for, all with great Labor Day savings, all in one location, the Irvine Auto Center.
To your search into Drive, where the 5 meets the 405 at Lake Forest Drive.
Here's to longer-lasting appliances, fresh laundry, sparkling showers, and no more crusty scale buildup. Call LifeSource, whole home water systems that prevent scale without the hassles. Come home to clean water for life. Call on the source, LifeSource.
Let's set sail.
It's fun.
How can you not love this?
It's tasty.
Well, I'm excited to have a tea party with you.
It's different. Let's go. It's LA Unscripted. Weeknights at 7, only on KTLA, LA's very own. Join Megan Henderson, Chris Schaubel, and Henry DiCarlo. Watch Off the Clock. Weekdays at 2 on KTLA 5, LA's very own. Stay with KTLA 5 News for complete Southern California storm coverage.
Now at 10, flooded streets and mudslides, roads that are crumbling. Southern California under a state of emergency right now as rain and wind from Tropical Storm Hillary barrels all across the Southland.
Plus, danger on the roadways. Cars are spinning out of control as drivers are losing control, slamming into other cars on these rain-slicked highways. Officials are warning drivers to slow down.
And on top of all the rain and winds, an earthquake. A 5.1 hits Ojai, rattling a lot of nerves and shaking up these customers in this restaurant. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the News at 10. I'm Rick Chambers.
And I'm Corrine Winter. Tropical Storm Hillary is slamming Southern California at this hour, bringing heavy rain, strong winds, and dangerous conditions to our area.
Yeah, a state of emergency is in effect right now, and residents are being told just to stay indoors until the storm passes. Now, from damaged roads to the flooded streets, raging rivers, Southern California is feeling the impact of Tropical Storm Hillary.
Yeah, and the worst may be yet to come as historic rainfall is expected in the next few hours. Let's head over to Kai Goldberg with a look at the forecast.
Yeah, hello everybody and good evening. You said it at the top of the show, Rick and Corrine. A historic day here for Southern California. Tropical Storm Hillary continuing to bring us flash flood warnings, and one that has never been issued before in terms of warnings, and that is a tropical storm warning that continues to make its way through Southern California on your Sunday night. Here's a look at your 5 Live Max Doppler, and look at all the heavy rainfall from San Diego all the way up north as we head towards Nevada. The coastal communities becoming a little bit dangerous tonight as we're seeing a lot of that wraparound moisture headed out towards the beaches. Still looking at a chance for some thunderstorms tonight as well. Here's a look at all the information on Hillary. Still a very strong storm, a tropical storm once again, sustained winds at 45 miles per hour with winds gusting up to 60 miles per hour, and she's still moving very quickly northwesterly at about 28 miles per hour, so moving at a good clip. Now earlier this evening through San Diego and Riverside County, well, she made a real hard left-hand turn out towards the coastal sections, and the center of that storm made its way into Los Angeles County, where now she is continuing to head in a northerly direction in towards the San Fernando. South Bay, making our way in towards from Orange County all the way into the South Bay, making our way in towards Marina del Rey, Venice, eventually out near LAX, where we're looking at gusts of up to 25 and 30 miles per hour, making our way through Temecula, Murrieta, Lake Elsinore, Paris, those particular communities which have been hit hard today with heavy rainfall, now looking at winds gusting up to 35 and 45 miles per hour. Here's a look at the heavy rain through the Santa Clarita Valley, the northern sections of the San Fernando Valley right now also And then a lot of this rainfall beginning to spread further into Ventura County at this hour. And a lot of what you're seeing in terms of red, well, once again, that is the tropical storm warning that is in place for all of Southern California through at least tomorrow on Monday night and possibly lingering into Tuesday morning. Some of that moderate rainfall now moving into the Antelope Valley this evening, but nonetheless, all of Los Angeles County under a flash flood warning until very early tomorrow on Monday morning at 3 o'clock in the morning. High wind warning taking us through much of the desert communities, of course, out to the mountains. Some of those foothill sections in San Bernardino County also picking up flash flood.